Yeah, Vita has a new job in Ayrton and children go to school in Benton. Okay, she wants to live nearer to Benton than Ayrton and less than 12 miles from Ayrton. Got to have a ruler and a pair of compasses. Right, we're giving us a scale here. When we're doing any questions like this, we always want to think not what's closer to Benton than Ayrton, but you want to look first off what's the same distance, and that's the line we have to draw, and then decide which side of that same distance we need to go. So the same distance from Benton to Ayrton, I always like thinking about individuals, so I'm going to do it about there in the middle. I'm just thinking about where it could possibly be to start with. Or it could be that point there would be the same distance from both of them. You can measure it, but we have to use a pair of compasses. So what we're actually going to do is draw the perpendicular bisector. And to do that, we actually just need to find 2 points using our compasses. So we put our compass onto the point onto Ayrton, and we open it up so it's well over halfway. If it wasn't over halfway and I drew an arc from that side and drew an arc from here, it wouldn't meet. So it can't be like that. So I need to have it over halfway. So I set it to about 3/4 of the way along here. And I need to find a point which is away up here. So I draw an arc. Some people draw the arc all the way up from here. And that is going around with a point, remember, on Ayrton. And now, without changing the compass at all, I put the point on Benton. And I don't need to draw the whole arc, because all I need to do is find out where it crosses up here and where it crosses down here. Ooh. And then I draw the straight line through here. And every point now on this line is the same distance from Ayrton is to Benton. And she wants to be nearer to Benton than Ayrton, so it wants to be this side of the line. Because everywhere over here is the same, is closer to Benton than it is to Ayrton. Okay? Less than 12 miles from Ayrton. I'll do this bit in red. Less than 12 miles from Ayrton. 1 centimetre is 2 miles, so that'll be 6 centimetres. So I want to do not less than, I want to do actually 6 centimetres. So I actually want to find out where they are 12 miles from Ayrton. And that means I've got to do 6 centimetres. So measure off 6 centimetres from there, and something like up to about here will be 6 centimetres. And that will then draw an arc down like so. Something like that. Obviously you're using a compass, I've just done it freehand. But everything here on that line is 6 centimetres away, which actually in real life will be 12 miles away. It wants to be less than 12 miles away, so it wants to be this side of the red line. But it's got to be this side of my blue line, and so therefore it's got to be here. And when you shaded it in where it could be, just check, is every point here closer to Benton than it is to Ayrton? Well, yes, it is. And is it closer than 6 centimetres or 12 miles away? Yes, it is. So I'm done for those 4 marks for question 1.